Chairman Garcia, I want to talk to you about Erwin Tulfo. Erwin Tulfo acquired U.S. citizenship by assuming a fictitious identity. Erlich Sylvester Tulfo. He served in the U.S. Army. Nabuko yan. Binawian siya ng U.S. passport. He escaped to the Philippines to avoid getting prosecuted in the U.S. Nung nandito na siya sa Pilipinas, hindi siya naka-assume as DSWD Secretary because of citizenship issue. Surprisingly, naging congressman, nag-represent pinayagan, kahit na hindi na siya natural-born Filipino. He ran for the Senate. Pinailan ko ng disqualification, hindi nyo ginalaw. Tinulugan ninyo. I requested you, I moved to prevent his proclamation. You proclaimed him. But that never mind. That proclamation will not work for him because the issue that I raised in my petition is that did he or did they, all the Tulfos, did they qualify as candidates? Now you have to resolve that. Whether or not they qualified as candidates. Kahit na pinroclaim nyo pa, if they did not qualify as candidate, that's null and void. Mr. Garcia, how much? How much do you value the Constitution? Violation po yan. You allow a person, a fugitive in the U.S. to sit in our Senate. Are you proud? You proud of yourself? Alam mo ba kung bakit natural-born citizens lamang ang pwedeng maging senador at congressman?